I'll take video of you, okay? Huh? Make sure that you can finish your task without falling on the ground. It's quite difficult according to Kuya Philip. Don't fall. Maybe you cannot reach the one. You're still short. Oh, you did it! You did it! You did it! You're really like a superhero. I can do it.
Do it. I'm trying for Maddie. Maddie, do it. It's quite difficult, but I think Maddie can do it. The last one, it's not that difficult. And the rest are jobs. So you're not even doing a job that time.
Good job! Really good job! Oh, you finished the task. Oh, that's it. Good job.